The only constant in life is change, and that change continues to accelerate as technology evolves and the internet spreads to connect everyone around the globe. Instead of accepting this reality, it seems that everyone we know tries to fight these changes instead of growing and thriving with them. If you're watching this video, you are being invited to join a community of like-minded individuals who seek to understand and participate in these changes, and by doing so, change the world. And changing the world begins with each of us first changing ourselves. Welcome to IX, the first full-scale, self-betterment community for the digital age. IX has created a social ecosystem where anyone around the world can join, and through hard work and consistency, truly change their life. IX was founded on core values to innovate, inspire, and impact, because we believe that these ideals are the foundation of all self-betterment. Innovation drives transformation. Inspiration sparks creativity, and these outcomes allow us to truly impact the world around us. Our mission is to provide peak value to our community through our innovative platforms to inspire people to better their lives and impact the world. If you use our products, they will change your life, and naturally, those who use and benefit from IX will want to share their growth with people around them. IX rewards those brand ambassadors who grow our community by promoting our platforms and values to others. Let's discuss how you can earn by referring others to IX through our brand ambassador program. First and foremost, our community is invite only, and participation in our rewards plan is 100% optional. To participate in the rewards plan, you must become a brand ambassador by purchasing one of our subscriptions and maintaining that subscription monthly. Once you're a brand ambassador, you are now able to sell and share our products and services to build a network of customers and other brand ambassadors. Every time someone in your network purchases or sells a product, you will earn a commission. There are 3 different ways to earn in our rewards plan, which are the direct bonus, VIP bonus, and team commissions. These 3 types of income are designed to help you grow during your journey with us at IX. Every bonus that we offer provides a residual income for you to build. The direct bonus is a bonus you will earn for every person you directly refer to IX. The exact amount will depend on the product or service being sold. But for this example, we will use the Pro subscription. So let's say that you invite John, Joe, and Mike, and they each purchase the Pro subscription. You will earn $15 for each referral, so $45 total. Also, it's important to know that there are no limits to the amount of products or services you can sell, or to the amount of customers that you can invite. As we mentioned previously, this bonus is a residual commission, so when John, Joe, and Mike renew their subscription next cycle, you are going to earn another $15 for each individual subscription. The second bonus in our plan is our VIP bonus. The VIP bonus allows you to earn a significant amount of money from $100 up to $8,000 per cycle, and each cycle is a 4-week period. The VIP bonus is based on your enrollment tree, which means your personal referrals, then their personal referrals, and so on. As you see in the table, as you generate the required amount of volume in each of your enrollment tree levels, your bonus will increase until you reach the $8,000 per cycle payout. The VIP bonus was designed to help our brand ambassadors earn a quality and stable income quickly while they grow their sales organizations. The third and last bonus is our team commissions. Here you are tasked with creating 2 sales teams, which we can define as a left sales team and a right sales team. As you grow and scale your teams, this bonus will allow you to earn commissions on infinite depth as long as you balance the volume on your 2 teams. Let's look at how this works. As you enroll new customers and brand ambassadors, you will choose whether to place them on your left sales team or your right sales team. At the end of each cycle, the rewards plan will pay you between 10 and 20% of the weaker team's volume based on your current rank. For this example, we will assume our brand ambassador John is currently at the influencer rank. During this week, John accumulated 10,000 volume in his left sales team and 6,000 volume in his right sales team. John will receive 15% of the 6,000 volume as his team commission for this week, which would be $900. The plan then removes 6,000 volume from each sales team, so that John will begin the next week with 4,000 volume in his left sales team and 0 volume in his right sales team. As long as John accumulates more volume in his right sales team during the following week, the process will repeat. And as you can see from the team commissions rank table, you may earn up to $1 million in team commissions per cycle, or every 4 weeks. Now that you know the different ways you can earn as a brand ambassador with the IX Rewards plan, we will end by teaching you the easiest way to get started and begin earning. Your first goal is to find 3 other brand ambassadors who want to promote IX with you, and to help them choose the subscription that best suits their needs. Once you have done this, you will earn a minimum of $145 per cycle, as you will earn 3 direct bonuses of $15 each, and you also will qualify for the VIP 100 bonus. Your next goal is to help those 3 brand ambassadors that you personally referred to do the same as you, which is to find their 3 new brand ambassadors and help them choose their appropriate subscriptions. Once you accomplish this, you will earn in excess of $500 per cycle, as you will continue to earn your 3 direct bonuses of $15. You will now qualify as a VIP 500, and you will also earn the same amount of team commissions depending on how many brand ambassadors are active on each of your sales teams. $500 is a full-time monthly income in the majority of countries around the world. And even in wealthier nations, $500 extra per month is enough to change people's lives. If you continue to repeat this simple process, you can change your life forever as your team and your earnings grow. Welcome to IX, where you now have a platform to accelerate your personal growth so you can innovate, inspire, and impact the world.